Electronic theses, dissertations, and reports, ETDRs, have to align with particular standards. And one very common one is to have proper pagination. Now here we've got a README section, which can just be deleted once you have the notes. And so when we start with the title page, you'll notice at the bottom center there is no pagination. We have the abstract, the second title page. This is for a dissertation. Copyright page, the abstract again. And thus far, we've not had any page numbers, as you can see. But starting with the table of contents, we have lowercase Roman numeral numbering. This is page 9, and then 10, and 11, and so forth. And so those continue throughout until we get to chapter 1, or the first main section of your paper, at which point the auto numbering starts with natural numbers 1, and it goes on through continuously without break all the way to the end. So none of the additional sections renumber, everything just continues from then on. Now sometimes as you're editing, I'm going to go on to my home tab, the ribbon up here. I'm going to turn on the double backwards P in order to see the various styles in the template. And with that turned on, we can see where section breaks are. Now section breaks help define different areas and how each area should be numbered. So this section break up here enables the contents following at chapter 1 onwards to renumber. And if you accidentally break or delete a section break, basically all you have to do is come back to layout, go to breaks. In the section breaks area here, click next page and add another section break, right? And once you add another section break, let's pretend if this pagination got broken, you can just double click on the pagination in the footers, come up here to page number and format, right? So you can pick what type of number format you need in that section. You can also say whether or not it should continue from the previous section or start at a particular number and so forth, and click OK. And you can click back out of the footer and it should be perfectly correct.